Welcome, my dear friends. My name is Nitin Goyal, and today we are starting with a new module. I will say this as a module because we are starting with the concept basically for non-commerce students, non-commerce people. They don't have the background of accounting and they are pursuing some technical courses like MBA, MCA, BTech, or LLB, or some other courses where they are finding it a little complicated to understand the basics of accounting. And we talk about accounting means not only accounting is not just one stream. It is accounting has a three division we will discuss later on, and it is going to help you in understanding all the basics easily. Many of my students, those who might be seeing my lecture right now, they might be thinking that suddenly why Nitin sir has started talking in English medium altogether. The reason is quite simple. Already I have uploaded 520 plus video lectures on different topics in English. I will say rather, not Hindi rather, because terminologies are always in English, but conceptual clarity is given in Hindi medium. But now I have got some requirement from other students and other states also, where the students are struggling with the medium of Hindi as an exchange, as an understanding, as a language. So I don't want to get into the language barrier when I am disseminating or when I am sharing my knowledge with all the students. So therefore, I'm going to start my lecture series now, the accounting and basics for non-commerce students or people in academia or in companies. I have also gone through many people who are doing part-time MBA, executive MBA program and other things, and they don't have basics clarity of accounting. So I will just try my level best that it should clear the concepts with all the students and people in non-commerce field. And after this series, after this module, they will be in a position to say, yes, now we are capable of understanding these lectures clearly. All right. So now, one more thing is that for my all the students who have been studying with me over the last 5 years, I would like to state here that don't get stuck onto one particular language or medium of exchange of ideas. Because when we are talking only in Hindi, sometimes we are not in a position to frame our sentences and how to talk about this particular topic in English. So it is good for you also, even if you are a student of commerce or even if you are a student of finance background, attend these lectures and try to understand the terminology and the framing of the sentences when we are talking about all these topics. Because when you go for higher studies, higher jobs, higher cadre, you need to speak with people not only locally but globally. And the global medium of exchange is English. All right. Of course, I'm not an English teacher, so maybe some of the pronunciations, maybe some of the jargon, some of the phrases I might take in the wrong way. So my humble request will be, please do not accept it as it, oh, who is teaching this guy, this idiot, he doesn't know how to speak proper pronunciation or something like that. Don't judge me on my pronunciation of certain phrases, although I will try to be accurate up to 90%. All right. So let's start. Today I'm going to discuss with you the concept of this particular module, and so what all things will be covered in this particular module. So after, or rather I can say, once you complete this modules, what all things you will be learning. So I made out the list, so I'm going to make this list in front of you. Entire study is going to be in the Excel format so that everything is going to be intact. In case you want this particular Excel file later on for your reference, please feel free to connect with me and I will be able to share with you, of course. All right, that is meant for you only. Why I'm going to keep it with me? This is meant for all of you. So let's start the topics which we are going to cover in this particular module. Topics in this module. So normally it is asked that what is in it for me, what is going to be there for me in this particular module. So the topic is basically we are talking about, I will write something in capital and something in small. So don't get into, again, don't judge me on my Excel skills. It is just to help myself and you to not only take the lectures but also to save the lectures instantly. So when I talk about accounting, accounting has got into three particular divisions. Rather, I should write down here only. Accounting is having three divisions. Number one is called financial accounting. Second is called cost accounting, and third is called management accounting. All right. So now, what is the meaning of this all accounting part? See, look at this perspective like when I talk about the overall picture of accounting, overall means I want to have general picture of any firm, any company, general picture about any company, about any firm. That particular time, I want to know the overall understanding, or rather, I should change it to like overall financial understanding of the company. Right now, what does it mean? When I talk about financial understanding, I'm just writing the points one by one so that you understand. I want to understand the company's profitability. I want to know about the company's overall sales and profit or loss. I would like to know about company's performance. Again, financial performance I'm talking about. I'm not talking about how many branches they are opening, how many they are closing. I want to know about the company's health. I'm just using some jargons which you are going to understand in actually easy way, financial health of the company. So it means how many assets I have, how many liabilities I have, how many expenditures, how many income, different kind of departments might be giving me different type of profit. If you have seen, for example, if I talk about if I have seen any hypermarket or maybe some departmental store, like in India, if we have Reliance store, we have Big Bazaar, we have lifestyle malls, and every you just think about many hypermarkets. Are they all getting profit from each and every product? No. They might be having product differentiation. They have different department, different outlet. They have apparel section, they have vegetable section, they have grocery sections. They have many auto what do you call it, mobile phone accessories, mobile phones, different thing. From newborn baby till the person is dead, they are selling almost every item. So they have different departments. So we want to understand the profitability of each and every department. So that is not possible in financial accounting. That will be possible in cost accounting. Now, in understanding like cost accounting, if I speak in Hindi, we always say it like "बाल की खाल निकालना." Like means just go in depth of each and every item to understand the cost. When we go talk about the cost accounting, it is about ascertainment of cost. Because when we talk about the profit comes when we have sales minus cost. So what is the cost? Cost does not mean only cost. Okay, I have purchased some book for this much price, this is the cost. This is only a layman understanding. But think about the publishing house, those who are going to publish this book. They have to decide about the paper cost, they have to about the ink cost, they have to decide about the labor cost, they have to decide about the overheads. Now, what is overheads? Again, you're confusing, sir. It will be covered later on. We will cover up later on. So, ascertainment of cost, and then again, management accounting. This I normally call as a general understanding. Accounting for management means this is not for the outsiders. So, this I can say in bold. This is for outsiders. This is for outsiders. Means those who are not a part of management, they are not part of control, they are going to be outside. So we have to show all these records to outsiders. But when we talk about management accounting, this is for internal management. For what is the purpose? For taking various decisions. So whenever you hear about decision making in accounting, we are always going to follow management accounting. But again, what is the base for management accounting? The base for management accounting is as you might have think about financial accounts, or financial accounting is the basis for management accounting. Unless you have the financial accounting records, you cannot analyze anything. So what we do in this management accounting concept, we analyze. Analyze the financial accounting records. And for that we have different topics, different tools, we can say. So we have different tools like ratio analysis, cash flow statement. I'm writing this shortcut CFS, cash flow statement. We have fund flow statement. We have budgetary controls. We have break even analysis, or we call it, technically we call it CVP analysis. Maybe those students who are doing MBA or MC or any other courses and they are dealing with management accounting, so you will be able to understand this word like CVP analysis, cost volume profit analysis. So we call it CVP analysis. And you might have heard about BEP, break even points. These all things we discuss in management accounting. So this is about the basic framework of accounting. Let me highlight it for you. Okay, so it has become bold for us. This is three things we have to do in accounting, three different segments. Now when we talk about the topics what we are going to cover in our modules, so I will just take up one by one topics. So first of all, we will cover about the topic in financial accounting. Number one, we will talk about the basic terms. Number two, we will talk about the concepts which we follow in accounting. Number three, we will be discussing about accounting equation. Maybe some of you might be recalling, yes, we have done this, we are doing this right now. Right now we will just start. Please start this part only. We are taking help from other students. No need to worry about. We are going to cover each and everything, but give me some time. Accounting equations. We are talking about rules of debit and credit. What is this CRDR? I will talk later on. Then journal entries. And what is ledger and trial balance. Then we talk about the income statement. We will not talk about the horizontal revenue income statement. We will rather discuss about the vertical framework now as per IFRS rules. And then balance sheet. This is about basics of financial accounting. When we come to the management accounting, why you are not talking about cost accounting? Sir, you are talking about the decision making. We are talking about the managers who need to know about accounting and finance. So they need to focus upon management accounting. So we will directly hit the nail to cover up the topics like number one, analysis. Okay, basis of analysis. Number two, basis means it's not like a half an hour lecture. It can be longer lecture to explain the basis. So I will explain in detail later on. Number two, ratio analysis. Number three, we will talk about cash flow statement. Again, it is going to be a vertical format, not horizontal one. Number four, we will talk about the break-even analysis. And for that, we will discuss about cost concepts. Then after, decision making. Oh, teacher, what is this going on? Decision making. Using what is the using? Using, I will say PV ratio. This can be the basic step to understand the decision analysis. And if you will understand this particular concepts of topics, you will be able to understand accounting in a very like a cakewalk. You will be able to understand. So decision making, what is the meaning of decision making? When you are a manager in any firm, maybe you are given a task to produce something, and the other option is, rather than producing, import that item. So what is more beneficial? Either you should import or you should go for producing that particular item. For that particular thing, you need to take some decision. You want to continue some business operation or you want to shut down the operation. What is the relevance? How you can take a decision? Again, decision making criterias. You have to evaluate certain things, and then based upon that you have to take a decision. Decision may be to make or buy, to shut down or continue, or to expand or not to expand in particular territory. Maybe you want to expand your business and you have 3 states where I should actually expand my business. Number one. Number two option, I have already have a product line. You know the product line meaning, like a Colgate, they have different division like toothbrush, toothpaste, tooth powder. Now they want to enter into tooth floss. I'm using the right word. I don't know. If I'm wrong, please comment. Floss, which I use, na? Not I means we use. So like I want to expand myself into a different product line. Should I continue? Should I enter into that line or I should not? It means taking a decision. I want to take a decision using some management accounting tools. So this we are going to cover up in entire syllabus. So this is for this particular module. These topics will be covered. You might be thinking that why I am writing on Excel, because this Excel is going to be like permanent for us. It's not like the teacher is, the Nitin sir has written something on the board and tomorrow he will erase everything and then even I don't know what I had taught you in the last lecture. So today what we have discussed is, so I'm writing this sheet name also, brief discussion of module. So this is what we have done in today's session. So what we have discussed about the topics in module. Accounting has 3 divisions. This is all we have covered. Cost accounting I have not taken in depth. There is a reason behind, otherwise you will get confused, because this is very in-depth topic, and believe me, if you are as a manager thinking about some decision making, cost accounting will not give you that benefit. Only you will take support of cost accounting team to have some understanding of the cost, but basically you will use management accounting tools only. And these tools are ratio analysis, cash flow, break-even analysis, cost concept, decision making using PV ratio. And of course, this is not the end. This is just the starting of something. In between also, if I keep on adding, I will take this Excel sheet as a base. So I will keep on adding the topic. For example, in the next lecture, I will start with you. So I'm just going to add the sheet here and I will start here like, I'll just write the name like basic terms in FA. FA means financial accounting. So here I will start with the next topic, basic terms in accounting. So I have given you the framework also, what exactly we are going to study in our next lecture. All right. So this is going to be covered like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Maybe I might give you 10 terms, maybe very important 10 terms, but I can discuss 20 terms, 25 terms, maybe in one lecture or maybe 2 or 3 lectures. So what are we waiting for now? Yes, you have to subscribe for this particular module. What is the meaning of subscription? If you are in a hurry to complete the things very fast with my live lecture or something like that, then also we can discuss later. But right now, because this module is going to be uploaded on YouTube channel, so definitely I need more subscribers from your end. Because if I will not see many students are taking benefit out of it, it will be of no use to come out with new and new systematic way of learning. So I will request you that please support me with more subscription, more likes, more comments, and also if you think that yes, this module is going to help you, please write me in the comment, yes sir, we are ready to start up this module. Let us start the journey, and don't think about it will be covered in 20 hours. I have exam after 1 month. I have exam after 1 week. Can you do it fast? Sorry, I am also doing some job. So I am also involved in my office, in my other activities. So I have to take out my time daily, at least half an hour or 1 hour to start this particular module and recordings to be uploaded. All right. So with that, I will take a leave for today with the hope that my family, which is now 500,000 plus, 5 lakh plus, will be expanded to 1 million soon with all your help and support. So please send this module, send this particular lectures worldwide, whosoever you think that yes, yeah, they should know about accounting. And if you have believe in Nitin sir, please help Nitin Goyal to reach millions of people. Sorry for the interruption, guys, but if you want to download this particular course, you want to enroll for this module, the links are given in the description. You can carry on all the modules for financial accounting for beginners, management accounting for beginners, or the combination of accounting for non-commerce students and managers. Along with that, you will get this entire Excel sheet free. Whatever Excel you are working on, you will get this free, and also you will have doubt sessions live with me time to time. All right, so waiting for you. Just go and enroll and have heavy discount which is offered right now. Waiting for you. All the best.